In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to update the way you pay, review your current plan, or make changes to your subscription settings, QuickBooks Online makes that process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find those options and what kinds of changes you can typically make once you're there. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top right-hand area of the screen for the gear icon. This is where many account-level settings and administrative options are stored. Go ahead and click the gear icon, and from the menu that appears, select Subscriptions and Billing. Once you open the Subscriptions and Billing section, this is where you can manage the key details related to your account plan. Depending on your account and permissions, you should be able to update your payment details if your card information has changed or if you want to switch to a different payment method. It's a good idea to keep this information current so you can avoid any interruptions to your service. You may also see the option to change your billing frequency. For example, if your account allows it, you might be able to move between monthly and annual billing. This can be helpful if you're trying to better match your subscription with your budget or long-term business needs. Take a moment to review the pricing and any billing terms shown on the page before confirming a change, so you know exactly when the update will take effect. Another common option in this area is adjusting your subscription tier. If your business has grown or your needs have changed, you may want to upgrade to access more features, or in some cases switch to a different plan that better fits the way you work. When reviewing plan options, pay attention to the included features so you choose the version that best supports your workflow. One quick note, in this example I'm using a demo account, so these billing and subscription options may not appear on my screen. However, on your own live QuickBooks Online account, you should be able to see them as long as you have the correct access permissions. After you make any updates, double-check the information displayed on the page to confirm your changes were saved successfully. And that's it. That's how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online.